biggest social media companies as these trials seek to hold them responsible for harms to children who use their platforms. Instagram's parent company, Meta, and Google's YouTube face claims that their platform deliberately addicted and harmed children. So this beginning in Los Angeles Superior Court on Monday with some of those opening statements. At the core of this Los Angeles case is a 20-year-old identified only by the initials MGM or KMG. Let's be joined right now on the ground in Los Angeles, legal affairs expert friend of the program, Megan Cuniff. Megan, thank you so much for joining us. And this is going to be a very important case, not just for this moment, but for other cases down the line. What did we learn so far?
Yes, it will. And this is a big sort of dumping of internal documents from these two companies that the plaintiff's lawyer has obtained through discovery. So we heard a lot about kind of previewing the evidence that we're going to be seeing in the testimony. That was the opening statement yesterday. And we're going to be hearing some testimony from Mark Zuckerberg and the head of Instagram, too, and also the CEO of YouTube. So we have quite a lot of internal discussions that are going to be coming to light here in the courtroom.
Yeah, and obviously when Mark Zuckerberg and other of these tech titans speak, people certainly listen. What kind of questions are we expected to hear from some of these lawyers, these plaintiffs, to Mark Zuckerberg and other executives from these social media companies?
They've talked about how they're going to be asking Mark Zuckerberg if he puts profit ahead of safety. And then I think they're going to be getting into specific documents, specific messages that he sent that they've obtained that talk about some of these addiction issues or some of these platform issues and maybe don't put the company in the best light. And I think the plaintiff's attorney is really going to be asking about those. And then, of course, the case is trying to relate those to what happened specifically to this 20-year-old woman who has been using social media since she was a kid.
Yeah, and one of those the plaintiff's attorney, Mark Lanier, might tie it to some internal documents as they could use Meta's own words against them, a Project Mist there, a survey of teens about their media use. How much weight might that have?